What's up, travel lovers? Today I'll take you on an exciting journey to three best hiking places near New York City. So get ready to the unforgettable adventure and breathtaking views. Our first stop is sPoint Preserve. Located in the heart of the Swangong Mountains, this 800-acre wonderland offers some of the most dramatic landscape in the region. The highlights of the sPoint is its iconic ice cave formed thousands of years ago during last ice age, and the Varkadarkil Falls. So, whether you are here for a leisurely stroll or a challenging hike, sPoint has something for everyone. Next on our list is Cold Spring Bull Hill Trail. Bull Hill Trail nested in the Hudson Highlands State Park. Just a short drive from New York City, this trail promises awe-inspiring vistas and rewarding journey. The summit of Bull Hill offers panoramic views of the Hudson River and surrounding valleys, making it a photographer's paradise and hiker's dream.
Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day. It will say
Our final destination is the Mount Tammany Red Dot Trail. Mount Tammany Red Dot Trail, located in the Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area. This trail is famous for its challenging, ancient and awe-inspiring vistas.
think of you and me. Darling,
While the climb is steep, it's worth every step once you reach the summit. The breathtaking view of Delaware Water Gap and the Delaware River will leave you speechless. Take a moment to enjoy the beauty of nature as you enjoy a picnic on the mountaintop before you back down.
if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day, it is waiting for us.
And there you have it, three of the best hiking trails near New York City: sPoint, Cold Spring Bull Hill Trail, and Mount Tammany Red Dot Trail. So let's up your hiking boot, pack your backpack, and embark on this incredible adventure. Just a stone's throw away from bustling city life. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it.